Right now, as you look at the night sky, you are not seeing stars as they are today. You are seeing them as they were, years, centuries, even millions of years ago. That might sound impossible, but it's one of the most beautiful truths of astronomy. Telescopes don't just let us see farther into space. They let us see back in time. So how is this possible, and how far into the past can we really see? Everything begins with light. Light travels incredibly fast, about 300,000 kilometers per second. But even at that speed, it still takes time to cross space. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. That means when you see the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. The farther away an object is, the older the light becomes. Distance equals time. Astronomy isn't just about space. It's about time, frozen inside light. Many stars in the night sky are hundreds or thousands of light years away. That means their light began its journey long before modern civilization existed. Some of the stars you see tonight may already be gone, exploded or collapsed, but their light hasn't reached us yet. Each star is a time capsule, carrying information from the past. When ancient civilizations studied the stars, they were also looking into history, without knowing it. Our eyes can only see so far. Telescopes change that. The larger and more powerful a telescope is, the more ancient light it can collect. Modern telescopes don't just magnify objects, they gather faint light that has traveled for billions of years. When astronomers observe distant galaxies, they are not seeing them as they are today. They are seeing them as they were when the universe was young. Every upgrade in telescope technology pushes our vision further into cosmic history. Some galaxies are so far away that their light has traveled for over 10 billion years. That means we're seeing them not long after the Big Bang. These galaxies appear smaller, brighter, and more chaotic than modern ones. They are still forming stars at incredible rates. By observing them, astronomers can reconstruct how galaxies like our Milky Way were born. Telescopes act like time machines, allowing scientists to build a timeline of cosmic evolution. Without leaving Earth, we can study the universe's earliest chapters. The launch of the Hubble Space Telescope revolutionized astronomy. Hubble captured images of galaxies so distant that their light began traveling when Earth didn't even exist. Its famous, deep field images revealed thousands of galaxies in what appeared to be empty space. Each tiny dot was an entire galaxy, each one a window into the past. Hubble proved that the universe is vast, ancient, and constantly evolving. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope. Webb sees infrared light stretched by the expansion of the universe. This allows it to detect the oldest galaxies ever observed. Some of the light Webb captures began its journey just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. That's closer to the beginning of time than ever before. James Webb doesn't just show us distant objects. It shows us how the first stars and galaxies were born. For the first time, humanity can directly observe the universe's infancy. There's something poetic about this. Ancient civilizations studied the sky, believing it held the secrets of existence. Today, modern science confirms that the sky truly does preserve history. Light traveling across the universe carries stories older than Earth itself. Stories written long before humans looked up in wonder. In a way, astronomy connects ancient curiosity with modern technology, across time itself. The farthest light we can observe today comes from the cosmic microwave background. This light was released about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It fills the entire universe, a faint echo of creation itself. Beyond that point, the universe was opaque. Light couldn't travel freely yet. So while we can't see the exact moment of creation, we can see incredibly close to it. That alone is astonishing. When you look through a telescope, you're not just exploring space. You're exploring time. Every photon that reaches your eye has traveled across the universe, carrying ancient information. The night sky isn't a snapshot of the present. It's a layered record of the past. And every time we build a better telescope, we push our vision further, deeper, older. The universe remembers. And telescopes let us listen.